heard that Walmart will be stocking their sports cards within like the next hour, so I'm about to pull up in a couple minutes and see if anybody's there, see if I can grab anything. You know, I'm trying to get my hands on some more NBA Select. You already know how that goes, but I'll let you guys know. By LJ's school. Yo, so I'm back at home. That's what I grabbed. Got 3 of these Select hangers. Oh, and then we got 3 of these Donruss. Got some Beyblade, that's what my son talking about. And we got 2 Donruss Fat Packs. So shout out to Walmart. Finally caught the restock. First time ever actually catching the restock. Finally got time to open up these packs. But I'm just going to go ahead and open up 2 of these Donruss football packs. I'm not going to open up everything that I grabbed. But I wanted to check these out because I've never opened these before. And I want to see what they're really about. So let's go ahead and get straight to it. But first, wait, you know what? Let me go ahead and see what's in here first. We get 50 cards per pack. So you get the 1 pack with the plastic wrapper on there, just like all other hangers. Then you get 4 rated rookies and 4 parallels per box on average. Look for exclusive rated rookie autographs. So you get autographs in here. And the optic rated rookie preview blue. Okay. I don't know if you can get downtown in the hangers. That would be pretty nice. I do want to get it downtown. I guess I gotta grab some more blasters or whatever else I can get my hands on first. But yeah, let's go ahead and check this one out. I did open up a blaster before, and I didn't get too much. I'd say the best card was a rated rookie Mac Jones. Hopefully we can get a Justin Fields. I'm always searching for my Justin Fields cards. So we got 50 cards. I'm pretty sure there's going to be a lot of base in here. So maybe we'll just go ahead and speed through that. We got Josh Jacobs, Fred Warner, Von Miller, Jalen Hurts, Tariq Cohen. Still ready to see him come back and do something for the Bears. Kenny Galladay, Mark Andrews, Patrick Peterson. Plays for the Vikings now. Rob Gronkowski, Kenyon Drake, we got Ocho, Chad Johnson. That's a nice pull. I don't have any Ocho cards, yo, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that to the side. I still be watching him on YouTube. I Am Athlete, so it's pretty cool. We got Xavier Howard, Brian Burks, Johnny Hecker, Mike Vick, Mike Williams, Kyler Murray, Michael Pittman, Terry McLaurin. What do you guys think about these cards? These cards pretty decent looking. I think the photos are pretty cool. We got David Johnson, Drew Brees. It's nice that you get some of the old school players in there too. Adrian Amos, Brett Favre, nice. And it's a photo variation. Set that to the side over here. We've got Alejandro Villanueva, Josh Allen, photo variation with the mask on. Tom Brady, Larry Fitzgerald. Oh, going too fast, y'all. Tyrann Mathieu, Jalen Ramsey, Kyle Long. We got DeAndre Swift, Quinnen Williams. Oh, there we go. Another rated rookie Mac Jones. Let's go. And this one's in good condition too. We got Gary Brightwell. Elijah Moore. Panay Sewell. We've got a Dalvin Cook red press proof parallel. Robert Woods. Aaron Jones. Ooh, we got a red press proof rookie card. Trayvon Morig. We got our canvas Zach Wilson card, and it's a photo variation. Yo, this is nice. You guys can clearly see the canvas on this card. And then we have a Drew Parson induction. First off, let me check the back out real quick, y'all. Yeah, that's nice. Go ahead and set that up there next to the other rookie, Mac Jones. But yeah, we got Drew Parsons for the Cowboys. Ooh, Rob Gronkowski, road to the Super Bowl. That's a nice insert there. We've got Ryan Sukup, the champ is here. Kenny Moore. Highlights card. We got Philip Lindsay Dominators. This is nice. We got Aaron Donald. Action All Pros. You got a lot of inserts in these hangers. We also have Tylan Wallace, the rookies card. Barry Sanders. Woo, look at that. Legend Series. And Elite Series Chris Johnson. And our last card is Nick Chubb, Power Formulas card. Nice. So that hanger, you got some bangers on that hanger. Not gonna lie. Gotta set those to the side real quick. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this second one open. Yo, I like that canvas on that Zach Wilson though. That one's pretty nice. Hopefully I can get this next pack open. There we go. Alright. Next box. Shout out to Donruss. Alright, so we have Derek Carr. Richard Sherman. Hey, if you guys want to go ahead and build your sets, get you some Donruss because there's a lot of base cards in here. We got Bradley Chubb, Nick Bosa, David Montgomery, Daniel Jones, Emmanuel Sanders, Julian Edelman, Levante David, Kirk Cousins, Bobby Wagner, TJ Hawkinson. He's one of the best tight ends out there right now, in my opinion. We got Emmanuel Ogbin, my bad. Trey Hendrickson, Tua. You got Sam Darnold, who's doing pretty good now. He's with the Panthers. Kenneth Murray, Larry Fitzgerald, T.Y. Hilton, Antonio Gibson, Brandon Cooks. We got A.J. Brown, Juju Smith. Got some good receivers in this one. Khalil Mack. Bears card. We got that variation, photo variation. Patrick Mahomes. That's a nice one. We got Justin Jefferson, photo variation. CeeDee Lamb. TJ Watt. Emmitt Smith. Joe Montana, photo variation. So I kind of like these photo variations though. These are pretty cool. Yo, I hit the camera. My bad, y'all. Whoa. But yeah, these are pretty cool. Devontae Adams. Tyreek Hill. Ugh. He's like, yeah, can't keep up with me. Okay, we got a rated rookie I can't even say his name. Skowronek. Photo variation. Anthony Schwartz. Caleb Farley. Jamar Jefferson. Then we got Anton Winfield Jr. Our first red parallel. Jeremy Chin. George Kittle. photo variation. Then we have our rated rookie Joseph Asai. Woo! Let's go. We got a canvas Gridiron Kings Mac Jones. We got 2 canvases so far. That's definitely a nice pull right there. Go ahead and set that up there. Then we have Road to the Super Bowl Josh Allen. The champ is here. Ndamukong. Then we have Alex Smith. Highlights card. Okay, Peyton Manning. Retro Series. Rondale Moore. The rookies card. Matthew Stafford. But he's loving being out there in LA with them Rams. Another rookies card. We got Rashad Bateman. James Robinson. Power formulas. Yeah, James Robinson is shaping up to be one of the best running backs in the league right now. See what he's doing down there in Jacksonville. It's not numbered or anything, is it? Okay, it's a nice card though. Then we have our Elite Series, Bo Jackson. Let's go. And our Elite Series, Elijah Moore. Alright guys, so let me know what you guys think about these cards. There was definitely some good hits in here. You know, if we recap, in our first hanger, we got our Nick Chubb, Chris Carson, Barry Sanders, Dylan Wallace, Aaron Donald, Philip Lindsay. We have our highlights card, the champ is here card, Rob Grant, Drew Pearson, and then in this last pack, we got Bo Jackson, Elijah Moore, James Robinson, Rashad Bateman, Matt Stafford, Rondale Moore, Peyton Manning, Alex Smith, Ndamukong, Josh Allen. Then we also got these over here. We got these 2 canvas cards. Nice rookie cards too. Nice rookie cards. We got Mac Jones and Zach Wilson. So, would you guys grab these hangers? I'd say you should go ahead and get your hands on some of these hangers. I mean, for $15.99, you're definitely getting some hits out of these. We got these from Walmart, as you guys seen. So, hey, I'll be back to get some more next time, and hopefully you guys will be back here to see some more too. Till next time, YouTube. Peace.